look fly and they jockin'. The way you drop makes me wanna pop. Is your man wanna roll? Baby, hey, let me know. Let me see if you can run it.
Curly Edges tutorial.
Bad man don't dance. Who told you gangsters don't dance? Even with a whip on my hip, I dance. Bad man, take another sip and dance. 2 left feet, don't trip and dance. The girl want me, I might give her a chance. Give her a look, she give me a glance. She wore that tight dress just to enhance. Touch my forehead, chest left.
I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average when you really to blame. How you gonna throw it away? How you gonna sit and act like it was nothing? Yeah. How you gonna throw it away? How you gonna make it?
OMG, where you at, boy? Holla back if you hear me, hear me, hear me. I didn't come out to hang with just my girls tonight, 'cause lately I'm feeling lonely, lonely, lonely. I need the perfect boy to rock my world, that's right. Everybody needs somebody, all the pretty girls wanna have some fun. I ain't the only girl that wanna meet somebody. Everybody tryna find a
I am a sinner who's probably gonna sin again. Lord, forgive me. Lord, forgive me. Things I don't understand. Sometimes I need to be alone. Bitch, don't kill my vibe.
If we locked in, ain't no switching up. Brody came home, went to pick him up. Nigga killed my mans, I'm riding with a picture of. Shoot back to the crib, went to pick the switches up. Stolen track hard, got it tinted up. Caught him outside, now he in the blunt. Ain't no falling off, I done put 2 million up. Nigga, ain't no falling off, I done put 2 million up. Catch his ass at the light, like Tupac and hit him up. Ain't no life after death, nigga, you ain't big enough. Know them youngins mean business when they in that rental truck. They gon' spin till they dizzy or the police pick them up. I been staying out the way, I been focused on this pay. Killers coming out retirement, the dead nigga play. Hit your man.
Don't listen to the lies, I swear they all lies. You know I could be a knight in shining armor, all ties. Trying to tell you I'm the one, come and holler at me. For I'm on the next thing, YMCMB.
go down and a wine and a bubble on. Party drop, just a drop, this a trouble land. Me and my man, just a couple and a cut the bump on the body head and me a bust it like a bubble on. Skin out me boom boom, on the body me a wine, me a boom, a boom, a boom, 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 papa boom boom. Have the body just a jump and a boom, a boom, a boom. Wine for the body and I sit up on the bed. Boom boom so tight, so my man I fit cheat. Phone take a picture, yeah, that you get it. Tell them God the wine the damn. Me up on it and I catch it on the beam and just a drop it. How me twerk it and I stop it. When the grab me I'm happy. How me stuck it and I pop it and I want it and I love it. Take a picture, yeah, stop it, Facebook it. Are you ready? Yes, I saw me like it. Wait, bring a body, come and make it right there. Ride it like a bike, yeah.
In my crib, zero Snapchat, zero Instagram posting. Fuck up the vibe, my dick start falling like London Bridge. I don't care if I saw you in a magazine or if you're on TV. That one don't mean nothing to me. Don't need a shower, oh baby, I need a free. Lick it like ice cream, as if you mean to be disgusting. It's not enough. Chop my banana, one side I lie, then no stopping up. Go shopping up, fuck that. Me fuck Colorado. Dama, oh yeah, jello, oh yeah, oh yeah, Mama Sheba, come back on, make me the start.
Hey, Miss Walker, thank you for wanting a verse from me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to get the distractions up off you. For enough time to jot your thoughts, but fuck it, this morning I got to. I'm thinking about you. I heard you just had you another little baby. Congratulations, I hope you got through it with no complications. I find it amazing, the way that you juggle your kids, the biz, the fame, the bitches that's hating. They sit around waiting for you to fall off like the album I'm making. But I hope that you're taking a little time for yourself. Still in a moment or two to unwind between the hectic sounds of your precious baby crying. Do you clear your mind? Must be a lot going on. I hear it in all of your songs. Niggas been doing you wrong, family been doing you wrong. On days you feeling like you on your own, I wrote this for you to put on. Thank you for sharing your light, your voice, and writing the beautiful poems. Session 32, bring me to tears. Be getting choked up when I hear it. Seem like I keep crying off so much since a nigga had these kids. And I don't know what it is that made me so sensitive, more than I already was. But never mind that, I'm back. I'm sending you this little
So here I am blow drying my hair with my little blow dryer, and y'all, what? So we're about to do a blowout. I like the volume. The roots need a little bit more touch up. My hair's just really thick, and this is not going to survive anybody's hair. So, then we'll do the other side and then. Okay, so this is the final of the blowout. I'm literally going to curl it in still. I will be lying to y'all real bad if I acted like I was organized when I did my hair and that it was just a super pretty process, because it's not. It's always chaotic all over the place. So I'm gonna be real. I'm not really a fan, just because it's not gonna last, and it's just it's volume. The volume is cute, but it's not gonna last. I think I fucked it up by calling out the curls too much, but it's whatever. I'm gonna put flexi rods in it tonight, and I'm probably about to put a claw clip in it and call it a day. I'm going on a date, so adios.